What if the financial system you've trusted has been rigged to keep you stuck in a cycle of scarcity? What if the so-called rules you've followed have only deepened your struggle instead of leading you to true wealth? Today, I'm going to share 10 proven strategies to break free from that cycle once and for all, and start building real, lasting abundance. Let's dive in. Strategy number 1. Side hustles can outperform full-time jobs. The era of the single and secure job is fading. In today's interconnected world, the opportunities for earning income are limitless. Forget the outdated notion that a 9 to 5 is the only path to financial security. Instead, embrace the power of the side hustle. Imagine this. You turn your passion for writing into a thriving freelance business, earning $5,000 plus per month. Or you create an online course teaching your unique skills, generating passive income every single day. These aren't hypotheticals. These are real stories from ordinary people who turned their side hustles into six-figure businesses. The key is to identify your skills, explore your passions, and find ways to monetize them. Build an online presence, create a compelling portfolio, and network with potential clients. Don't be afraid to experiment, fail, and learn from your mistakes. Your side hustle could be your ticket to financial liberation. Strategy number 2. You don't need a degree to succeed. The era of the guaranteed career tied to traditional higher education is rapidly evolving. We're living in a world where innovation outpaces institutions, where practical skills trump theoretical knowledge. Think of the tech titans, the digital entrepreneurs, the creative visionaries who've built empires without relying solely on academic credentials. Their secret? Real-world, in-demand skills. Forget the outdated notion that a piece of paper defines your potential. Instead, become a relentless learner. Dive into specialized online courses, attend immersive workshops, seek out mentors who've walked the path you desire. Build a portfolio that showcases your tangible abilities. Don't just learn theory, apply it. Create projects, build a network, demonstrate your value. The world rewards those who solve problems, not just those who recite facts. With this mindset, you can carve out your own path to success. Strategy number 3. Investing is for everyone. Investing, a word that often triggers anxiety, a feeling of being out of your depth. But here's the truth. Investing is a fundamental right, not a privilege reserved for the elite. It's about empowering yourself to grow your wealth, regardless of your starting point. Imagine putting your money to work, consistently, and witnessing the power of compounding. Thanks to technology, investing is more accessible than ever. Fractional shares, micro-investing platforms, automated portfolios. These tools are democratizing the financial landscape. Start small, learn as you go, and build a portfolio that reflects your aspirations. By taking that first step, you'll set yourself on the path to financial freedom. Strategy number 4. Build multiple income streams. Relying on a single source of income is like balancing on a tightrope without a net. Staying dependent on one paycheck leaves you vulnerable to scarcity. A single missed payment could send you spiraling. But by creating multiple income streams, you unlock the door to abundance. Imagine having not one, but 3 or 4 reliable sources of income working for you at all times. That's stability. That's freedom. Embrace the power of multiple income streams. Generate passive income through investments, create digital products to sell online, or build a portfolio of freelance clients. The key is to create a safety net that protects you from unexpected setbacks. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Explore different avenues for generating income and build a financial fortress that can withstand any storm. This diversification will give you the confidence to pursue even bigger dreams. Remember, these strategies aren't just ideas, they're tools that have transformed lives. If you're ready to take control of your finances and move toward abundance, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on more life-changing tips. Strategy number 5. Debt can be a tool. Debt, a word that evokes anxiety, a sense of being trapped. But what if we transformed our perspective? What if we viewed debt as a strategic tool, a way to amplify our financial potential? There's good debt, the kind that fuels growth. Think student loans for in-demand skills, or business loans for a high-potential venture. Then there's bad debt, such as credit card debt with astronomical interest rates, or loans for depreciating assets. The key is understanding the difference. Learn to leverage debt wisely, to fund your education, to launch a business, to acquire income-generating assets. Don't fear debt. Master it. Educate yourself on financial leverage, understand the risks and rewards, and make informed choices. By harnessing the power of debt strategically, you can accelerate your journey to financial independence. Strategy number 6. Frugality doesn't mean sacrifice. Frugality, a word that often conjures images of deprivation and restriction. But what if I told you that true frugality is a pathway to abundance? It's about being intentional with your spending, about aligning your money with your values. It's about finding creative ways to save money without sacrificing the things you truly cherish. Think about it. Instead of mindless impulse purchases, you prioritize experiences that create lasting memories. Instead of eating out every night, you learn to cook delicious and healthy meals at home. Instead of buying disposable items, you invest in quality pieces that stand the test of time. By adopting this mindset, you'll discover that true wealth lies in freedom, not fleeting possessions. Strategy number 7. Master the art of negotiation. Negotiation isn't just for business deals. It's a fundamental skill for life. Learn to negotiate your salary, your rent, your bills. Don't be afraid to ask for what you're worth. Every dollar you save or earn through negotiation is a dollar you can reinvest in your future. Practice your negotiation skills, learn to communicate your value, and don't be afraid to walk away from a bad deal. By sharpening this skill, you'll unlock new opportunities and increase your earning potential. Strategy number 8. Embrace lifelong learning. The world is changing at an unprecedented pace. The skills that are in demand today may be obsolete tomorrow. That's why lifelong learning is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity. Invest in yourself, expand your knowledge, and stay ahead of the curve. Read books, listen to podcasts, attend workshops, and network with experts in your field. By continuously upgrading your skills, you'll remain competitive and open doors to exciting new possibilities. Strategy number 9. Build a strong network. Your network is your net worth. Surround yourself with people who inspire you, challenge you, and support you. Attend industry events, join online communities, and connect with people who share your goals. A strong network can open doors to opportunities you never thought possible. By nurturing these relationships, you'll gain access to resources, insights, and collaborations that can propel your success. Strategy number 10. Cultivate a growth mindset. Your mindset is the foundation of your success. Believe in your ability to learn, to grow, and to overcome challenges. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity, and don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone. By cultivating a growth mindset, you'll unlock your full potential and achieve results you once thought impossible. Remember, the path to financial abundance doesn't necessarily require luck or privilege. It requires smart decisions, consistent effort, and the willingness to break free from the chains of scarcity. These 10 proven strategies give you the roadmap to do exactly that. Now it's your turn. Which strategy resonates with you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's inspire each other to build a brighter, wealthier future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Together, we can rewrite the rules of money and create the lives we truly desire.